Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I am going to unbox this Pixel 7 in LemonGrass. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Do not adjust your screens, do not squint your eyes. That is the Pixel 7 in LemonGrass. Yes, Google Team Pixel sent me out the 7 Pro, but I wanted to go ahead and pick up the 7 by myself. I got this from T-Mobile. I am going to trade in my Google Pixel 6 and pick up the 7. I wanted to try it out. I wanted to try a different color. I didn't know which color I was going to get from Team Pixel, so I wanted to go a little bit different with this one. In this video, I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing, show y'all the phone, go over the specs, and just give you my first thoughts about the device. Yes, I still have my Pixel 6 here. Bam, this is in, I forgot what color this is, seafoam or something. And I still have the 6A. But we want to try this out. It is the little brother of the 7 Pro. We want to see how much you can get with this phone compared to this one, because this one is like $300 more than the Pixel 7. So let's see what you get in the box. LemonGrass, Pixel 7, Google there. It says hashtag Team Pixel. I don't know if my camera will do this justice or not, but y'all should really see this in person. It has like these gold edges here, or some type of matte finish edges there, and then it has the same type of camera bump, but it's missing a telephoto lens. Look at that. Do you have juice in this bad boy? Yes, you do. It has a flat panel, just like the 6 does. Now, the 6 seems a little bit heavier, though. But let's see what else you get in the box. You get your normal books from Google. There's a SIM card removal tool in there. USB to USB Type-C. I mean, USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable. And then you have your transfer cable there. You have your little transfer tool or thing here. So nothing much in the box. Pretty much the same thing you got in the 7 Pro. But here is the phone itself. Look at that color. It says, welcome to your Pixel. But let's go over the specs really quick. So on the front, you have a 6.3-inch 1080p OLED panel. The resolution is 1080 by 2400. It goes up to 90 hertz refresh rate, so it's not no 60 hertz or anything like that. So I don't need anyone out there complaining that it doesn't have 90 hertz at least. Also, it has 8 gigs of RAM. It comes in 128 gigs of storage or 256. I actually have the 128 gigs of RAM on here, or storage on here. Not RAM. The RAM is only 8 gigs. It has the new Tensor G2 chip in here. Android 13 out the box. A 4355 milliamp hour battery. That front camera is 10.8 megapixels and it shoots in 4K at 60, which is great. I love that you can shoot 4K video on the front camera. On the rear, it has the 50 megapixel main shooter and then the 12 megapixel ultra wide. It is missing the telephoto lens, so you can see there. But it also shoots in 4K at 60. You have the same layout, power button, volume rockers, the same dual speakers. Well, one's a mic, this is a speaker. Then you have the USB type charging port down there, Type-C microphone at the top. What y'all think about this color though? I'm touching the screen though. The back is kind of curved. It's Gorilla Glass on the front and the back, so they didn't cheap out on that. Let me go ahead and pause the video. I want to come back and just set it up for y'all and just talk about the fingerprint scan and face unlock. Just give me a moment. Okay, I was able to go ahead and set it up. I'm going to put my second SIM in here and try to rock 2 different Google phones. Also, something I didn't mention in the beginning when I was going over the specs, it has wireless charging, fast charging, water resistant IP68 rating on here. So it has a lot going for it, especially for the price that this thing is being offered to. But the face unlock works just as good as the Pixel 7 Pro, just as fast. The fingerprint scanner, I'm gonna say that they improved it, especially if you let me get it right. So yeah, if you can not do this around the camera, the face unlock, look how the face unlock is pretty quick. So there you go. The fingerprint scanner is good. Overall, I like how this is a matte finish here. I wish the back was finished too, but this is a solid phone though. Like I said, I've been rocking the Pixel 6 for just as long. Let's see which one is bigger. So the Pixel 6 is a little bit bigger. You can see the size here. The bottom is pretty much the same. Look at the camera. Then you have the 6A. Oh, wrong phone. You have the 6A. So the 6A is a little bit smaller. Look at that camera layout. And then you have his big brother, the Pixel 7 Pro. So this one is I would say a little bit bigger, but look at that. You can just see, bam. Pixel life forever, y'all. But if y'all want to see more coverage on the Pixel 7, let me know in the comments. Let me know what type of videos you want to see on this device. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 7. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForZReviews. I'm going to do my normal videos. I'm going to go test out the camera. I might even put it against the Pixel 6. But until next time, y'all, I'm out. Peace. Y'all have a great day.